Hello friends, today we will draw and color a pony near the tree. We will color the pony in whose color. Friends, if friends like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos, of course.